Big Mike already finished the morning meditation on a peak of a mountain and now he's absorbing new thoughts inside of his private library. But someone interrupts his flow state. Who is it? He looks up and sees his wife with a genuine smile in her face, holding a breakfast she prepared for him. I have personally experienced what is it like to be in a relationship with a good woman. In other words, a traditional woman. What traits does she possess? What does characterize her? What does define this woman? Woman like this was most likely raised in a traditional family, meaning a father figure is well respected. Why? Because a father of a head of family, he is able to provide. He has this capability. He is a provider. He can provide resources plus make the family feel safe. And that's exactly what does a woman, a good woman. What is she looking for? If you do possess these traits, you're gonna naturally attract these women. Plus, of course, it is a big responsibility because you are now the one in power. You have to realize a good woman, a traditional woman, is a feminine woman. She is fragile, chaotic. She is on one end. She is one extreme. And naturally, one extreme does attract the opposite extreme, a masculine man who is in control, who has a drive in life, who knows what he wants, who has this vision, who can provide resources, as I mentioned. These two will attract each other. It is a polarity, opposite ends. Opposites do attract each other. It is a rule of nature. You can see it everywhere in nature. In animal kingdom, with some documents, brother. For example, do you think a starving lion will attract lioness? No way, because he's gonna die soon. Because he's starving, he's weak. Rule of nature. On the other hand, who does fuck? The masculine one. A strong lion. The one who can provide, who can hunt, whose testosterone is high as fuck. It is also about genes. An individual with good genes is most likely going to be preferred than an individual who is most of the time ill and weak. It's all nature. Everything is connected. My recommendation, watch some documents. Discovery Channel. A woman like this, she doesn't want power. That's not what she wants. What she craves. She wants your attention. Because she is living for you. Again, two extremes. Only one of them is having power. Only one of them is the decision maker. The capable one of providing resources. A provider. You have to fight your own demons, fix those problems. It is all up to you. All is the responsibility, which is sometimes, it's f***ing hard. But eventually you have to do it, and you will. So don't put this pressure, this weight on her shoulders. She isn't there to fix these problems. She's there to give you love, to give you appreciation. She's not there to do the hard work for you. She's a woman, a good woman, again, raised in traditional family, well, where all the responsibility is up to father. If you are not prepared for this, I'm sorry, but you are not prepared to be in a relationship like this. So if you are thinking about getting yourself in a relationship with a good woman, prepare yourself to take all this responsibility. It's a challenge. It's gonna be tough sometimes, but okay, take it as it is. It is how it is supposed to be, and you're gonna make it. For the first time, if you have never ever experienced something like this, it's gonna be tough, yeah, but practice makes perfection. Don't be afraid of it, and go, take action. She's gonna be like your daughter, treat her like that. You are taking this position of a father figure in this relationship. Behave like it. This girl, she's gonna respect you. She's gonna treat you like an authority. So be nice to her. Respect her back. Mainly give her attention. She's gonna need that. And don't expect from her some wonders. A girl like this is gonna do what girls do. Taking care of her nails, hair, etc. So yes, it is beautiful to be in a relationship like this when you are the one in power. In a good sense, you are taking decisions, taking care of her. She is your responsibility. She's like your daughter. This is what is it like to be in a relationship like that. Bet yourself and stay true to who you are. Make it hard to be influenced by others.